Today we're going to talk about pesto. Now, just because you don't have pine nuts in your larder doesn't mean to say that you can't make pesto. In fact, you can use any number of different combinations of nuts and herbs to make it. So today we are going to be making a really delicious pesto with toasted walnuts, which we have here, and basil, with the classic garlic, oil and Parmesan cheese. So it's really kind of great. Now, walnuts are super good for you. They're rich in omega-3 fats and have also been found to be cancer protective, especially at breast cancer. So have this and eat something delicious that's going to be good for your health. Enjoy. This is pretty simple. We're going to use a little baby food processor for this. We're making like half a recipe. So I'm going to although everything's going to get ground up, I'm just going to slice the garlic just to help the processor along. So that. I'm going to chop, no, I'm not going to bother to do that. I'm going to put them in a bit at a time. It's going to start just to grind these up. Now, I was going to tip in the cheese. There's about what I call a big quarter of a cup there. And I'm just going to use this to pack in about a cup of basil leaves, taking off the hardest bits of the leaves on here. For pesto, it says 1 cup or 2 cups, whatever the recipe states. You want to push them down because if you leave it kind of like this, you're not going to have enough basil in there, so you need to tamp it down. So that's what they mean in a recipe when they say 1 cup packed. For this recipe, we just want to just have it, just going to push them down a little bit, put these in bit by bit. Oh God, you can smell that already. And a little bit of salt. Now this is where we're going to put the olive oil in. A bit more oil in there, because I like mine to be a little bit runny. There we go. There we go. It's going to get a spatula, but that's pretty good. And I have to tell you, I've just tasted a little bit. It is totally yummy. So, walnut pesto, ready to rock.